Good morning. We have studied the male reproductive organ. As we know that pair of testes is found in the one human body. This pair of testes is oval in shape, and this pair of testes is found outside the abdominal cavity in the male human body. And it is found in the sac-like structure which is known as a scrotum. A scrotum maintains 2 to 2.5 degrees low temperature than the other region of the body temperature. And this low temperature maintains and supports the process of spermatogenesis and process of formation of a sperm. And we know that when we have studied about the cut section of the testis, we found that 250 compartments or testicular lobules are found in one testis. And in one testicular lobule, we have studied about 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules are found. In one seminiferous tubule, inside the seminiferous tubule, we have studied two types of cells are found. One is the male germ cell, and second is the Sertoli cells. Male germ cell develop and form the sperms, and Sertoli cells nourishes the process of formation of a sperm, the sperm, and the male germ cell. Outside the seminiferous tubule, we know that another type of cell is found, that is called Leydig cell, interstitial cell, and this Leydig cell make androgen hormone, and this Leydig cell is found in the space which is called interstitial space. You can see the structure. This is the diagrammatic sectional view of the seminiferous tubule, in which this is inside the seminiferous tubule structure, in which the Sertoli cell is found and spermatozoa are found. And this is the space, this border, this is the space which is called interstitial space, and in this interstitial space, Leydig cells are found. These Leydig cells secretes hormone androgen. You know that different glands are also found in the male reproductive organ. You have already studied about seminal vesicle, prostate gland, bulbourethral gland, and these hormones secretes different enzymes, fructose, calcium, phosphorus, proteins, prostaglandins, etc., and make the semen. These hormones and these enzymes, all the nutrients are required for the maintenance of the viability of the sperm, so that a sperm can be live and can be transferred in viability in the female reproductive tract. Today we have to start the female reproductive structure. Female reproductive structure consists of pair of ovaries, pair of fallopian tube, one pierced uterus, cervix, vagina. Different labellings can be seen there. You can also see here. This is the female reproductive structure. In this female reproductive structure, you can see two ovaries are here. That is, the length of this ovary is 2 to 4 centimeter. And this female reproductive system is found in the pelvic region of the female's body. And this female reproductive system is attached with the pelvic region by the ligament in the pelvic wall. And this ovary is covered by a thin epithelial tissue which make the total ovarian stroma. This ovary has two regions. The middle region is called medulla and the outer region is called peripheral cortex, means inner medulla and peripheral cortex. When it will ovulate the egg, that egg is caught by this finger-like projections, fimbriae. This fimbriae is the part of fallopian tube. Fallopian tube has, you know that this is a fallopian tube and this is another fallopian tube. A pair of oviduct of fallopian tube is found, and this total is the uterus. The upper part of the uterus is known as uterine fundus. You have to know, when you will study about the female reproductive system and fallopian tube, you will see that It has the finger-like projection so that it can grasp or obtain, catch the released egg or ovulated egg from the ovary. It has a hollow structure that is called infundibulum. Infundibulum leads in the luminous structure that is called ampulla. And ampulla ends in another luminous structure that is called isthmus. And isthmus having the lumen connectivity with the uterus. You can see this is the connectivity. This is the lumen which is going towards the uterine cavity. You have to study. This is the cervix region. This is the cervix. This is the vagina. This fallopian tube having the length 10 to 12 centimeter. This fallopian tube is long, 10 to 12 centimeter long. So this is a outline of study of the female reproductive system. And we know that this female reproductive system is found located in the pelvic area of the women body, human body. Tomorrow we will study about the different external genitalia and different structure which are associated with this female reproductive organ. Thank you.